nendo marariyo iga ganare prariyo koda uchiel machiegni e weche manyene kidieni mar dier odiochieng' nyinga Joash Odhiambo Mitula ka jadoko mar nyadendi Bella Chieng' ka weche gi kimene nyalo luwo kokalo mbui magwa magiko mag tudruok manindo Facebook kata TV Live X kaachiel bende koda YouTube. Wachako kama udo ni rumbi mar let koda kuyo puro kwako gweng' nendo ma emite manindo mayudore kar chungal bura nendo ma Narok ma milambo banga amiyo moro koro rodho nyathine mochuo wito ngimane. Mose nindo Peres Chepng'eno ma jegna 14 kendo ntiere grade 7 ler yango ni min mare kaachiel koda nyamin mare koro nyoro rodho mochuo wito ngimane e kinde mabende ni tude koda ketho ge mopogore mag dala. Kaluwore koda ruoth makonendo Bernard Abonei oyango tho machalo kama indika onyiso jonyuol mar mondo mi obed jogo eko maore kendo duoko mirima margi piny e ponono gintiere koda mirima gi nyithindgi kaachiel bende koda jiwogi mar mondo mi gine ni gimanyo yore mamoko mabende ginyalo kumo godo nyithindo moloyo chwadogi magiwet ngimagi.
Huyu mama wa hii familia aliweza kuchapa mtoto, ama aliniambia yeye mwenyewe, aliniambia ya kwamba aliweza kuchapa mtoto kulingana na ile makosa alikuwa amefanya, na alipofanya hivyo aliweza mtoto akaweza kusirai hapo.
Tumetatanishwa sana kwa hii kifo. Sasa naimiza wananchi tujaribu kutulia. Kama mtoto amefanya kosa, kama wananchi kama sisi kama nyinyi kama wananchi ama wakaaji wa hapa tuweze kuripoti hiyo makosa ili sheria iweze kufuatwa. Msichukue ya sheria mikononi mwenu.
Kamiyo nogo kaachiel koda nyare koro gi kende nindo sendhi kendo lorne gi sendo bile kende manondo dhi nyime. Komachielo en jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto kwedo malich mokalo kweth mag jotelo magiko mabende kwedo piny owacho mare ma olero ni onge koda chenro makare mag tayo piny Kenya kendo kowinjo yud lemo nindo mar tayo tend piny Kenya yo moro amora. Ka otwag e kinde nyasi giko mag chiwo omenda mag nyota ne rowere kaunti nogo ma Garissa, jatend piny oyango ni jotelo weko ne onge koda ber moro amora mabende ne gikelo ne piny Kenya e kinde mane gimako lemo giko mopogore. Oyango ni piny owacho mare oseketo lai makare mar neno ni chenro mag dongruoge ochopo ne jopiny kendo gisani chiemo nitiere moromo, nengo ngima nitiere piny, chenro mag somo kaachiel koda thieth nitiere kare kanyakla koda tije ne jokenya. Kuom mano endo en mowinjo bed ni chak yiere kendo e tielo nendo mar ariyo.
Mimi nataka niwaambie wale watu wa ubaguzi na chuki na ukabila hawatapata nafasi katika mambo ya taifa letu la Kenya. There will be no place for them to hide. Na wao mimi nimewatangazia, nimewaambia mambo matatu ni ya muhimu. Ya kwanza, mkuwe na track record. Ya pili, mkuwe na plan ya sahihi. Na ya tatu, mkuwe na maono ya mahali Kenya inaenda. Yote tatu hawana. Ni mnanielewa? Yes. I want to tell my friends, every leader must be judged by their track record, by what they stand for, and by what they plan for the future. As we talk today, we have a clear track record. We sorted out our economy. Today, interest rates are down. Inflation is down. Exchange rate is down. Our economy is stable. We sorted out matters to do with food security. Fertilizer came down. Our productivity went up. We are producing more milk. We are producing more coffee. We are producing more sugar. We are producing more tea in the Republic of Kenya. We have dealt with matters to do with education. We have hired 100,000 teachers, corrected CBC, rolled out a new student funding model, our university education, our TVET education is today more stable. That is our track record. We have corrected the challenges we had in our health. Today we have 29 million Kenyans registered in SHA as opposed to 7 million in NHIF. We have corrected the development of our nation. We have ongoing all the roads projects that had stalled. Today, we have 6,000 kilometers of roads ongoing in the Republic of Kenya. Every road, every contractor is back on site, working. That is our track record. We have corrected matters to do with savings in our country. Today, we have doubled the savings in our nation. That is our track record. And we have a plan for the future. Wale jamaa wengine tunashindana na wao, they don't have a track record of doing anything. Their past has no track record. Their present is full of bitterness, is full of hate, is driven by tribalism.
Ekawadhi kaunti nene ma Migori wadone mogo kumbio penye kachile kwa jotelo mogo kaunti ma Migori koroseo piny owacho magiyango ni yulo eketo tema lipot nogo mar narko kachile kwa gik moko apara mane mosenendo Raila Odinga kachile kwa jatend piny Kenya Moluor William Samoei Ruto ne ochuoyo e kokgi kagitwaka kinde mabende ne gibago romo kanyindo kod puta makao pajo penye kaluwore kod lipot makamane de katiegruok mar jopuonja manendo ma Migori TTC giyango ni nitie gik mathoth mapok okete tema nyaka gi kinde ni ende kamoting'o neno ni yiero obagi yo nendo ma oyangore maonge kuom moro amora mar ombulu kaachiel bende kod neno ni moko kuom chenro mag piny owacho mag counties oketi e lwetgi ma ok ni pod okwamo e lwet piny owacho mamalo e kind chenrogo eko mamoko ma oting'o chulo jogo eko ma bende ne oneg joheragi kaachiel kod yudo hinyruok e kinde ng'anyo. Kuom mano endo koro giseyo jotelo magiyango ni sundo mana gik makonyogi kendgi giwegi to mago eko mantiere lipot mar narko to pok gichako keto tema kata matin.
Tulikuwa tunataka mkuje mtuambie ya kwamba tangu NADCO report iliposainiwa imekuwa kwa implementation process for almost 1.5 years sasa. Mumefika wapi? Serikali imefika wapi kuimplement hii report? Kwa sababu hawa wananchi ambao sisi tumekuja hapa, ni ukweli ya kwamba sio sisi tunafanya implementation. Kazi ya implementation ilikuwa ifanywe na serikali. Serikali ndiyo inafanya implementation. And therefore, sisi kama wananchi, kitu tunataka kusikia. Ile maneno tulisema ya kwamba 2022 election ifanywe audit. Mimi nilikuwa na expect mniambie leo IBC imefanya audit na imepata ya kwamba ni ukweli walituibia kura. Sisi ndiye tulishinda watu Azimio. Unajua mpaka leo we have been devolution for over 15 years now. Lakini ninashangaa ya kwamba functions za devolution bado zinafanywa na rais huko juu. Nilikuwa ninaomba leo mungetuambia zile functions za devolution zote sasa zimekuwa devolved, zimerudi kwa county. But you will find bado hizo function bado ziko huko juu.
Saizi mmebeba makaratasi yote mnarudi nayo. Mtuambie hapa we are getting the responses after how long? Because from the time hata hii pitu ya NADCO walikaa chini, it is in 2024. We are now in 2026. Election is just next year. When are you going to implement these things so that hata kama ni compensation, how soon is it going to be implemented? Alafu, we have talked about clearly on implementation or on compensation of the people that lost their properties and their lives during the protests. What criteria are you going to use to ensure that mtu mwenye aliumia Nyatike Wuthugik is going to be compensated, si mtoto wa Mheshimiwa Eunice ambaye anajulikana na serikali?
Kitu cha kwanza ambayo inaniudhi hii mambo ya percentage ambayo inapewanwa kwa county. Hakuna mtu yoyote youth, disability and women ambao anapata. Ni bwenyenye tu wale ambao wako na pesa ndio wanaenda wananunua contract. Hakuna mtu wa youth, disability and women ambao anapeana pesa. Tunataka serikali kama wanataka watu wawe kwa usawa, walinde watu wote sawa, sio kubagua wengine. Eti wale wakubwa ndio wanapata hela. Hii kama inaweza kuwa implemented vile tuliongea, tunataka iwe hivyo, vile kufuta hata kitu kimoja kwa yale ambao watu walisema kwa hall.
Because we are dealing with bureaucrats, we are very clear about the measurabilities that we want. Tumeuliza specific questions and we want specific answers. We are to compile this report, and by by the 7th of March, we'll be presenting this report. It will be a public report to capture and ensure the gaps that are there in the
Jaod bura makiaro because ndende nyoro koro yango lai makare molero nidhi neno ni somo mapacho ka ndio bedo nono ka achiel koda chiemo chakre sikunde go mag primary ka achiel koda sekondara ka otwa koda jo Kenya modak e piny mar Ingereza boma nindo mar London e kinde romo margi oyango kanyido no omenda mag kuonde chung' od buche manindo National Government Constituency Development Fund e machok NGCDF ka ochok kanyakla kata jod buche ogolo omenda matin moromo bilion 30 ka achiel bende koda tend county jiwo ni ka ogolo bilion 10 to manindo koro dhi romo chenro duto mag somo e pacho kaendi nono maonge chudo moro amora higa ka higa. Oyango no omenda makamano bende koro dhi konyo chenro go mag chiemo ne jopuonjre ka ojiwo ni manindo ema koro nyalo tieko achiedh nade mosebedo kokwako sekta mar somo kama jopuonjre mathoth osebedo karem chopo lek magi kaluwore koda onge mag omenda mag somo.
In Kenya, you know, we have NGCDF, the CDF. We have money that goes to our governors called equitable share. And then we have the national government. All of us participate in education matters. So my proposal has been very simple. Kenya has got 3 to 4 million learners in our senior secondary schools. We require only 30 billion Kenya shillings to make education in the senior secondary schools free and totally free, including the lunch program. And I am proposing that out of the money that we get at the constituency level called CDF, the country to get 10 billion shillings from there. That is 30 million Kenya shillings from every constituency, including Kiharu. So we'll have 10 billion shillings from CDF. We also talk to our governors to also give up 10 billion shillings. And I'm already talking to them from the equitable share. And then the national government, out of the 4.2 trillion Kenya shillings budget, to also get 10 billion Kenya shillings. And then we form a kitty we may call Kenya Day Secondary Schools kitty. And that money is enough to make quality education accessible to all these corners across Kenya for free without paying anything. A student in Kenya requires around 35 shillings per day, for a meal per day. And they are in schools 185 days in a year. So we require around 6,500 shillings per year, per learner. And then we can top up something for the principals to do the other things they need to do in the schools, including employing BOM teachers. So I'm just here to tell you, it is possible. And I want to tell you, I will take it up, even if I'll be the only single leader in Kenya who will do it. Nimejitolea kuifanya na itafanyika.
Janero mara yena mara mara kwa yu mokuongo kidieni ende mara adiero di uchenka ito bange waduogo bange yere machuwa kome umere mana kete Kala TV nikech ma eodwa.
It's enough to make a grown man cry, but not this man. Get back in there, tear.
Tok yudo thuolo mar ng'eyo mathoth kowuok kuom jopuonjewa e sikunde ka iduogo pacho, warwaki kod chenro mamit molosi mana ne in iwuon mar kweyo pachi kaka nyathi. Chenro mar bang' sikul chakore saa 10:30 mamidhiambo nyaka saa 11 mamidhiambo, kama iyude sigana, wende manyasani kaachiel kod machon, kaachiel kod miel motimo cathedral mabende mori kaka nyathi. Bang School, chenro manigi mor lilo ne nyithindo duto. Kala TV, machiegni pacho ma e odwa.
Lich kaka lich, liet kaka liet, gwere to dhi, weche tuch ka kod kacha, moko wei kod buok, kaseche moko idong' ka ibwonjo, kutho mit ji ariyo, jaduok wach ema ketho ga gini.
Emomiyo ruedh ariyo e chenro mar 411 otit mach, oikore mar liekoni gigo mopondo, kendo mawachore e mbui, achiel kachiel ka wakuodho go piny. Omikete mane Kala TV chakre saa 11 nyaka saa 12 odhiambo, wuok tich kod tich adek, kama an Felo Gobliz
jiwuodo chiel ka wabiro lombi kendo wuoyi kod siso mar nenowa pile ka pile.
Kala TV, machiegni pacho, ma e odwa.
Get ready to elevate your business and any other commercials when you advertise with us. We are not just a channel. We are your gateway to the peak, for we give you the precision and desire to your commercials. Let us be your partner in success, broadcasting your message to thousands of our viewers. Contact Kala TV today and let's make the magic together.
Machiegni kendo jalup spika od buch Senate Migosi Kithure Murungi koro nyiso gavanas mok dwar mar mondo mi omol e nyim od buch Senate mondo mi ochiw ler ewi kaka gitiyo kod omenda jopiny mar mondo mi koro gigwe tao mapiyo piyo kaka nyalore ka oyango ni chik mapacho kaendi dwaro mar mondo mi giluong gavanas e nyimgi kendo chiw ler. Maendi biro bang' gavanas nyocha ne ng'ur malich mokalo ka gibuogo mar biro rem chopo e nyim od buch Senate ka giyango ni osebedi ka koro iroko gi kaachiel bende kod biwo ose wigi kaluwore kod tiyo kod omenda jopiny. Kithure Murungi oyango ni chik mapacho kaendi oyie ni gavana moro amora mabiro rem chopo e nyim od buch Senate chiwo ler ewi kaka otiyo kod omenda, to en koro nyaka ne kanyindo ni ondhiye kendo chwale e nyim od buch Senate ka osingo ni pod gibiro medo luongogi kata nade nikech nyaka ng'e kaka gitiyo kod omenda jopiny.
Tangu sisi tuingie Senate hii ya Senate ya tatu kutoka mwaka 2022 tumekuwa kila wakati tukipeleka pesa mingi katika ugatuzi wetu, na kama wakati tunajadiliana kwa mambo ya budget, governors huwa wanafurahi sana wakati tumekaa ngumu. Tunakaa ngumu wakati kamati ya budget ya National Assembly wakiteremusha pesa, sisi tunapiga nduru na tunakataa kupitisha mpaka waongeze pesa ya counties. Sasa niwaulize swali moja, tukiongeza pesa iende mingi kwa county, ni kwa nini msitumie pesa vizuri? Hata wazungu walisema however much is given, much is expected. Kwa hivyo kama tumeongeza pesa, kitita cha pesa imefika 415 billion. Mwaka huu tumekubaliana tukiwa senators, lazima pesa ifike counties 450 billion Kenya shillings. Kutoka 415 ile imefika wakati huu. Tumesema lazima ifike 450 billion minimum. Na tumekuwa tukihimiza katika PIC ama PAC Committee ya National Assembly waweze kuangalia hesabu zile za juzi kama 2025, 2025 financial year ama 2025-2026 ndio tuone revenue ni ngapi, because saa hii revenue ama ile pesa inapatikana katika treasury imeongezeka sana. Na kwa hivyo kama tungetumia hesabu ya hivi majuzi, tungekuwa tunapeleka sasa karibu 500 billion inaenda kwa counties. Lakini tukiwaletea pesa governors wetu wapendwa, ndugu zetu, dada zetu, mbona tena ukiitwa kwa Senate unaanza kupiga nduru, unasema umekuwa harassed, unasema umeitishwa hongo? Kama unajua amekuitisha hongo na wewe ulishiriki, kama ulipeana pia ulishiriki, na kama hujapeana mbona usipeane hayo majina yao? Kama una ushahidi upeane hayo majina au senators kwa DCI, upeane kwa EACC ndio waweze kufuatiliwa na kujibu mashtaka. Kwa hivyo usiacha kisingizio ya kwamba Senate wanakudai pesa. Wewe kama hesabu zako ziko sawa, mbona pia usikuje upeane hesabu zako vizuri vile umefanya kazi? Na kuna governors wazuri pia ambao wamefika katika Senate na wameeleza vizuri kabisa vile wametumia pesa zao.
Seyo makamana independent gole kwa put mochung ne chuonyo ngonge bikakiti yokuremenda kache bene kwa tayo chendo magisome pachoka ndi motel kwa jakomge migosi wanami wamboka geyango ni ka governor oknyal chopo marmuro miochi ulere wiomenda mabende miogi tukuronge tiende marmuro mimigi pok magomenda kabuoka e pinyo wacho nendo omamalo.
TUK took
Jana niliona magavana wakitoa wakipiga nduru wakisema ati hawatafika mbele ya kamati. Haitawezekana, haiwezekani. Sheria inasema lazima wafike kwa kamati. Kama hawatafika basi hawata spend pesa. Sasa governor Kenya hii kila mtu anajua. Ukienda katika constituency eneo bunge utaambiwa hiyo shule imejengwa na mbunge, hiyo imejengwa na nani, hiyo imejengwa na nani, hiyo barabara imejengwa na kera. Lakini governors ambao wanapata pesa mingi sana, ukienda uulize mwananchi hatuoni. They must, they will, they shall be accountable. Hawatatoroka.
Wamesema kuwa na iwapo watafika mbele ya kamati hizo watafika mara moja kwa mwaka.
Haiwezekani. Kazi ya governor sio kutunga sheria. Kazi ya governor sio kutunga sheria, and ile mambo wanaanza ni very dangerous katika audit, katika management of national resources. Governor wanataka kutoroka, hawataki kuspend pesa. Choose if you want to be an accounting officer. Ama hautaki basi usisimame kiti ya governor. Yes, they are avoiding accountability. Na sisi kama bunge, senators na wabunge wa National Assembly tutahakikisha kwamba governor lazima wafike kwa sheria. Na kama hawatafika, sheria is very clear. If we have not audited you, you can't spend money. Hawatataka kuspend pesa na hawataki kuwa accountable.
Jalupuga ya duwan siasa mar Jubilee Laktar Fred Okengo Matiang'i omedo dhi nyime kuda luorore gwenge mopogore pacho kaende kinde ma ogoyo debe mar timo ikruok ne yiero ma higa manyien mar 2027 ka otwak e kaunti nogo ma Nakuru. Matiang'i omedo seyo piny owacho ma pacho kaende ma oyango ni tayo piny Kenya osetamo kendo achiedh nade mathoth okwako jo Kenya kuom manindo nyaka jo Kenya nen matut yiero nendo mabiro. Oyango ne kao yiergi kaka kwetho nogo makwedo piny owacho manindo United Opposition to gidhi loko chendo mopogore ma pacho kaendi kendo bedo kare kama oting'o somo kaachiel kod thieth.
Tubadilishe uongozi wa nchi. Nani anakubaliana na mimi? Asante sana. Ndio tunawaambia hawa wangwana, sio chuki, sio vitina, sio kitu ingine, ni kazi wameshindwa kufanya. Na sisi tunajua kufanya kazi. Si tuingie tufanye hiyo kazi. Hata wale vijana ambao mlizungumza hapa kusema tukiingia kwa serikali turudishe Linda Mama, mimi nataka kuhakikishia tutarudisha Linda Mama. Nataka kuhakikishia kwamba tutasafisha elimu hii tena, sekta hii ya elimu, ili wazazi, walimu na wanafunzi tena wafurahie mfumo wa elimu, tukae tukienda mbele.
Once again, our presidential candidate ni Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Na vile mmeambiwa na SG wetu, ingawaje tuko kwa Azimio, our presidential candidate is Dr. Fred Matiang'i.
ODM ile ya kina Babu, ile ya Sifuna, ile ya Matiang'i, hapo ndio sisi iko. Na tumewaambia wale wanataka kukula chama cha Raila, kama mnapenda William Ruto, wacheni na ODM, enda UDA.
Kanyo bina bakele gi komar mi weche manyene kidieni ende mara adiero odiochieng' watude kanyendo sa 10 kidienyo nogo mar podho chieng' mabiro kelo weche mamoko manyien. Erokamano kuom ne bedo koda chakruok nyaka giko. Nyinga Joash Odhiambo Mitola ka jaluoko marwa en Nyadende Bella Achieng' oriti masani.